Hi everybody, today we are going to test my baking skills to make Cooper and Coco some pumpkin and peanut butter biscuits. They use simple ingredients that are easy on the canine stomachs and great for their coats. The ingredients calls for 2.5 cups of organic oat flour, or you can substitute 2.5 cups of organic flour, and then 1/2 cup of pumpkin puree, and then two tablespoons of organic peanut butter, 2 large eggs, organic eggs, and 1/2 teaspoon of organic cinnamon. And then first, before you do all of that, you want to prepare your oven to 350. And then you're going to line your baking sheet with parchment paper. So in a large bowl, I'm gonna whisk together the organic pumpkin puree, the peanut butter, and the organic eggs until smooth. Excuse me. And this is the pumpkin puree, organic pumpkin puree that I'm putting in. And now I'm going to do the 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So give me one moment. I do have to get another tablespoon. Give me 1 second. And now I'm gonna mix in the two organic eggs. Okay, and now I'm going to whisk it. So give me one moment, it's gonna be a little noisy, okay? And you mix it until the eggs are smooth, and which they are. And now I'm going to add the flour, the 2.5 cups of organic flour, and the cinnamon. So here's the organic cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon. And now the 2.5 cups of flour. And I'm gonna mix it together. So give me one moment. Can you pause it? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna use my hands here some. To try to mix it better. So give me 1 second. And then I'm going to roll the dough out on a lightly floured surface, about 0.5 centimeters thickness, and I'm going to use a cookie cutter to cut out the treats. So I'm going to pause it for a minute, and then I will get back to you guys.